guys? Really excited about this one. We've actually shot this one before. This is a good 200 gram. Spinosaurus by Pyro Diablo. I'll go ahead and show you what the bores look like. Like I said, we have shot this one before and it was very good, so we wanted to get it again. Let's see, where's the performance at? All right, so the performance is brocade crown to red with golden willow, brocade crown to white strobe with golden willow, and then a brocade crown to blue with golden willow. So this one will be a good one to shoot. So we'll see what it does.